Hi, my name's Anthony. Welcome. You're at Your Rehab Coach, and I'm Anthony Recovery Coach. This is a 7-step Restoring Self-Respect series. You can do any one of these courses. You'll find that each course will have sometimes multiple steps, which are quite simple to take and simple to do. And may only take minutes for each one, and others may take a little longer depending on your familiarity with the area or lack of familiarity. As you can see, there are 6 major components, starting with Antidote to Shame, Viewing Places, Self-Interest and Gain, Core Values, Standards, and Self-Respect. And then there's a summary course, which helps you summarize everything you learned in these 6 courses. And then, optional to you, you can gain and get one-on-one coaching with me to restore your self-respect. This would be the ultimate cleanup of this area. And when I say cleanup, I mean anything, considerations, concerns, issues, repeating behavior patterns, etc., which may be going on, yet you've done the whole 6-course program. These courses can be done online, and they will be done also as workshops in the future. They may be online workshops and they may be in person. And I may include these workshops or these actions in the recovery coaching process. It's really up to the individual and the capacity of the individual to deal with any of these particular subjects. So welcome again. Start with the first, go to the second, and so on. They're designed in order, and they assist an individual to come up to and fully face up to, you can call it confront or deal with, handle effectively issues on self-respect and restoring fully your personal self-respect so you can conquer and achieve any goals that you set forth. My name is Anthony. I'm your rehab coach.